So here in this problem, we have to find out the sum of the first 24 terms of an arithmetic progression. If the sum of the first, 5th, 10th, 15th, 20th and 24th term of that particular AP sums up to 225. So let's find out the sum. So here we have A1, A2, A3. This goes all the way up to A24. These are in arithmetic progression. Now there's a theorem which states that if we consider any term which is equidistant from the beginning as well as the end, and if we take the sum of that those two terms, then the sum is always going to be equals to the first term and the 24th term. Meaning, if we, let's say, take the second term and add it to the second last term, which is 23, this sum is always going to be equals to A1 plus A24. That means the first term and the last term. Now in our case, what we can do here we have sum given that A1, which is the first term, plus the 5th term, plus 10th term, plus the 15th term, plus 28th term, plus the 24th term. It's given here that this sums up to 225. So we can combine few terms. So if we have A1 plus A24, that this is the first term and the last term, then we consider the 5th term from the beginning, which is A5, and add it to the 5th term from the end, which is going to be A20. Plus we take the 10th term from the beginning, this is going to be A10, and the 10th term from the end is just going to be A50. So this is equals to 225. The whole reason we're writing in this fashion, because 5th term from the beginning added to the 5th term from the end, this particular sum is the equivalent to the sum of the first term and the last term, which is A1 plus 24. We already have an A1 plus A24, plus similarly we have the 10th term from the beginning, which is A10. This is added to the 10th term from the end, which is A15. So that means this is also equivalent to sum of the first term and the last term, and this value is going to be equals to 225. So that means we can have, since these three sums are exactly the same, so we have 3 times first term plus the 24th term. This is equals to 225. So we have A1 plus A24. This is going to be equals to 225 divided by 3, which is going to be 75. Right, so we've obtained that the sum of the first term added to the last term, which is the 24th term, this is going to be equals to 75. So we're going to use it. Our question was to obtain the sum of the first 24 terms. So this is simply 24 divided by 2 multiplied to the first term plus the last term, which is A24. Now since we have already obtained the value of A1 plus A24, which is 75, so then we're going to get 12 multiplied to 75, and this value is going to be equals to 900. So that means the sum of the first 24 terms is going to be equals to 900.